on. Small bills are greatly appreciated when paid with cash. Make a purchase with credit or debit card, make sure the back of your card is signed. FDA regulations heat up of storage.
They were older.
Parents who walk up with children to make their purchase, no children unattended anywhere on the train at any time. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we do have the completely sold out train today. Once again, our train is completely sold out today. We are going to have, ladies and gentlemen, for our cafe car for heating purposes, keep any laptops, DVD players, or anything of that sort, paperwork, extra seats. We do appreciate it. Thank you again. We have limited seating in our cafe car. We are going to stress for our cafe car meeting for meeting